Let's look at Fizz Array. So given a number n, create and return a new int array of length n, containing the numbers 0, 1, 2, up until n-1. The given n may be 0, in which case just return a length 0 array. You do not need a separate if statement for the length 0 case. The for loop should naturally execute 0 times in that case, so it just works. And then the syntax to make a new int array is new int, and then insert your desired length. So yeah, the question already gives us sort of a hint of how to get the solution, but let's look at the test cases anyways. So if we input 4, so in this case n is 4, then we create an array with 4 elements, and you go from 0, 1, 2, 3 to fill the array. And here with length 1, you just have an array with one integer. In this case, we just contain the number 0. So let's look at the solution. We can start by creating a new array, which you do by doing this. So you create an int array using this notation. We'll call it array. And then you do int array is equal to a new int array. And this is where we specify the length of our new array. In this case, we want the length to be n, which is the parameter of the method. Alright, so we have our new array, and now we want to fill it with the numbers from 0 up until n-1. The way we can do that is by looping through our new array, and by each index we want to add the number, like the next number, so that we get this sequence. So for int I equals 0, I will be less than the length of the array. In this case, we can just use n. And we want to increment I by 1 each time. So then at the array position I, we want to set the number to be equal to I. Because as you know, since I starts at 0 and increments by 1 each time, the index of the array will start at 0 and increment by 1 each time. So therefore we just want the array at index I to be equal to the actual value of I. And then finally we return our array. This should be array. Okay, let's check. And the code runs. We have passed all the test cases. I hope you learned something from this tutorial. If you have any questions, just leave a comment and I'll try to answer you. I hope you have a nice day.